Hi everybody, welcome back to our cooking show. Always here with my mother Franca, and on today's episode we are making
pumpkin cheese pie. Stay tuned and we'll show you how. Okay, so this is a pie dough that we've done in the past with our Easter pie ricotta, and when we did the pastiera di grano, it's the same recipe. It's very easy and we use the well method, and that's it. So now we're going to wrap it up in plastic wrap, flatten it out a little bit. It's always better, that helps like with the rolling up the pie crust after. And it's going to go into the refrigerator for about 45 minutes just to solidify a little bit the butter. And in the meantime, we're going to clean up, tidy up a little bit, and get our ingredients ready for the pie filling.
So we've rolled out the dough, we've placed it into our pie dish. We've also, with the parchment paper, then added some dry beans. You can add rice, beans, and you can continuously reuse this, keep this in a Ziploc for other pies, because what we're going to be doing is blind baking this. Do you want to tell the audience what blind baking is?
Baking your pie crust before you add in your filling, but I'm just going to be baking it halfway.
Okay, so that ensures that when you do put the filling in, finish cooking it fully in the oven, that the crust ends up cooking through perfectly and you won't have any raw patches or uneven translucent patches of the dough afterwards.
Especially in the center, sometimes it remains raw, so by blind baking it, you'll get a perfect crust.
Yeah, and this also, sorry to cut you off there,
no,
but
that's fine.
This also will ensure that the pastry will cook and keep its shape nice and evenly. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the oven, but at the same time, the filling you said we ended getting a little bit reserved.
Sometimes you get like a little bit of extra, so to be on the safe side, I bought these like little pie shells, like you could buy them in the little tight shells in case I need them. So these two I'm gonna blind bake. You know, you could follow the recipe
on the box,
the directions on the box there, and don't forget to pinch it like with a fork.
Yeah, and that ensures that it doesn't puff up and that it keeps its shape. So in the oven they go. This is gonna be for about half the time, so maybe like 20 minutes, max 30 minutes. These ones will go quite quickly, so you just have to keep an eye on them. Again, like my mother said, as per the box of directions. And then once this gets pulled out of the oven, we'll put it with the filling, and back in the oven it goes.
There you go.
So see you soon for the next step. There we have it, pumpkin cheesecake with homemade dough that is very simple to make. We've showed it a few times on our channel, and any of the excess batter went into little store-bought tartelettes. We garnished it, we chose whipping cream. You can garnish it with whatever you would like. Even some powdered sugar over top would be very delicious. And this is a perfect fall dessert. We hope you guys enjoyed this and will give it a try. And as always, until next time, continue to
love what you eat.
Love what you eat.